Hey, what's up you guys? Installing a trailer hitch on your Hyundai Santa Fe can take you to some really cool places, like camping, biking, or even towing a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Let's go ahead and break down that really easy install. You'll need the tools seen here to complete this installation. So our first step for this install is to remove this center panel right here. It's held in by two push pins on the bottom. We're going to remove those using a flathead screwdriver. Now to remove it, we're just going to push on these two pins and then just pull down. Now on the inside of the driver's side frame, we have this post coming out of the bumper beam. Now this blocks part of this hole that we need to attach our hitch, so we need to cut an inch off of this post so we can bring it into place. We're going to use an air saw to cut that off. And we'll repeat on the passenger side. So now we're ready to bring our hitch into place. We're going to be using our U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you don't have a hitch jack, we recommend that you get an extra set of hands, as this hitch is pretty heavy. Now as you're raising this up, your spare tire might come in the way. If it is in the way from going into place, you're going to need to loosen it and push it back as far as you can to help bring the hitch into place. And with our hitch lined up, we're going to start on the driver's side by putting all of our hardware into place. We have two small bolts that come with conical tooth washers. These are going to go on the bottom of our hitch on the frame. Let's go ahead and put those into place. Now we have two long carriage bolts that's going to go through our frame. We're just going to push them through the inside right here, and it's going to go towards the outside of the frame. And then we have two flange nuts that will secure our bolts on the other side. Then we'll put all of our bolts in place on the passenger side. Now with all of our bolts into place, we're going to tighten and torque all of our bolts to the manufacturer's specification. For our smaller bolts, we're going to be using a 17mm socket, and for our side carriage bolts, we're going to be using a 19mm socket. Now with our hitch installed, we can take our underbody panel and we can go ahead and reinstall it so we can hide our hitch when we're not using it. With our hitch installed, we pulled our vehicle down onto level ground to show you some important measurements for your hitch accessories. This is a 2-inch receiver. From the pinhole to the edge of the bumper is 4 inches, and from the ground to the top of the receiver is 15 inches. This will help you determine the length, rise, and drop for your hitch accessories, such as a bike rack and cargo carrier. So that wraps up our install and our video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about this product, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul Hitch Professional, you can visit your closest U-Haul Hitch Center, or you can visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. Thank you.